Hi guys, in this video we will see how to run a program in compatibility mode on Windows 11. If your programs not run in normal way, then you can open it in compatibility mode. How to open it in compatibility mode? Right click on that affected program and choose properties. On property page from the top menu bar you will find the option compatibility. Click on it. Here compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for, make the check against this option and also choose a program which you want to run this program, Windows 8, Windows 7, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. And if your program is still not working or not opening, then right click on it and choose properties again, and here you will find choose compatibility from the top menu bar and run compatibility troubleshooters. Click on it and run compatibility troubleshooters. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction and thereafter restart your system. Your affected program will now definitely be work properly.